right, it's your boy here, Peach T Iro again with another political update. All right, topic of today's video is Donald Trump is basically going off on the Georgia Secretary of State, and he's basically telling him, "I need you to find me some more votes for X, Y, Z reason." Most of those reasons, as you're going to see, are kind of out there, so we can overturn Georgia. All right, before we get started, down in the description below, you'll see my link to help you get financially independent, financial freedom, so you can finance your own lifestyle. And you'll see other notes, sources, and things like that in the bottom. But for me to help you finance your lifestyle and get up in the world, hit that link and I'll help you out. All right, we're going to get started on the video right now.
We have won this election in Georgia based on all of this. And there's nothing wrong with saying that, Brad. You know, I mean, having a correct, the people of Georgia are angry. And these numbers are going to be repeated on Monday night, along with others that we're going to have by that time, which are much more substantial even. And the people of Georgia are angry. The people of the country are angry. And there's nothing wrong with saying that, you know, that you've recalculated.
Well, Mr. President, the challenge that you have is the data you have is wrong.
All right, I'm going to pause right there and add a little commentary. The Georgia Secretary of State is basically like, I understand you have a problem with results, but the data you are presenting is wrong because you're looking at bad data. You can't say 1 + 1 = 5 when the data clearly says 1 + 1 = 2. All right.
Now, do you think it's possible that they shredded ballots in Fulton County? Because that's what the rumor is. And also that Dominion took out machines. That Dominion is really moving fast to get rid of their machinery. Do you know anything about that? Because that's illegal.
This is Ryan, Germany. No, Dominion has not moved any machinery out of Fulton County. We're having.
Well, but have they moved? Have they moved the inner parts of the machines and replaced them with other parts?
No.
All right. This is in reference to a conspiracy theory that says two things: that they are doing a pump, that they did a pump and dump. They pumped a bunch of fraudulent votes into the machines, and now they're shredding them, which is not the case. Second part of the conspiracy theory is that they put special machinery inside the voting machines to change the votes for Biden over Trump, which is also not the case.
You sure, Ryan?
I'm sure.
You should want to have an accurate election. And you're a Republican.
We believe that we do have an accurate election.
No, you don't. No, you don't. You don't have, not even close. You're up by hundreds of thousands of votes. You know what they did and you're not reporting it. That's a criminal offense. And you can't let that happen. That's a big risk to you and to Ryan, your lawyer. That's a big risk. But they are shredding ballots, in my opinion, based on what I've heard, and they are removing machinery, and they're moving it as fast as they can, both of which are criminal fines, and you can't let it happen, and you are letting it happen. I'm notifying you that you're letting it happen. So, look, all I want to do is this. I just want to find 11,780 votes, which is one more than we have, because we won the state.
All right. And this is the hot button contention. He said, all I want to do is find 11,780 odd votes to overturn the state. Not that I completely just want to get out, or not get out. I completely just want to find out when, where, and how this fraud happened. He just said, I just want 12,000 votes to make me president. That's basically what he's saying.
So tell me, Brad, what are we going to do? We won the election, and it's not fair to take it away from us like this. And it's going to be very costly in many ways. And I think you have to say that you're going to re-examine it, and you can re-examine it, but re-examine it with people that want to find answers, not people that don't want to find answers. For instance, I'm hearing Ryan, and he's probably, I'm sure, a great lawyer and everything, but he's making statements about those ballots that he doesn't know. But he's making them with such, he did make them with surety, but now I think he's less sure, because the answer is they all went to Biden. And that alone wins us the election by a lot. You know, so.
Mr. President, you have people that submit information, and we have our people that submit information, and then it comes before the court, and the court then has to make a determination. We have to stand by our numbers. We believe our numbers are right.
Well, under law, you're not allowed to give faulty election results, okay? You're not allowed to do that, and that's what you've done. This is a faulty election result. And honestly, this should go very fast. You should meet tomorrow, because you have a big election coming up, and because of what you've done to the president.
All right. So this should be my last interjection. What Trump is referring to now is the Georgia runoff election that happens today. Since this call happened, I think, on the 2nd. He's basically saying that because you have screwed over the president, and I am the Republican Party, which he is not outside of source for saying he is, because you have slighted me or done me wrong or screwed me out this election, as he would say, they are not going to vote for Republicans in the state of Georgia because y'all have slighted me.
You know, the people of Georgia know that this was a scam. And because of what you've done to the president, a lot of people aren't going out to vote. And a lot of Republicans are going to vote negative because they hate what you did to the president. Okay? They hate it. And they're going to vote. And if you would be respected, really respected, if this thing could be straightened out before the election. You have a big election coming up on Tuesday.
All right, and that's it. That's the main points of the Trump call. It is looking kind of rough. And the elections today, oh, I'm sorry, that's not today, my bad. The election is in 2 days, on Tuesday, January 5th, and then we're gonna see how this rolls out. But for Trump's credit, since this whole election fraud thing is so pervasive, the people who rock with Trump, the people who are, ride or die Trump's people in Georgia, they feel some type of way, and he's right. They might not come out to vote for Republicans that are sticking to their legal guns and the fact-based data, and vote for them because they feel like you're not supporting my candidate because you're not supporting my candidate. That's about it. So the Republicans might lose Georgia because they didn't yield to Trump's request. And that is how they say, that's how it goes. Again, I'm PTIRO. If you like the information, if you like the content, please like and subscribe. Look down in the description. You'll see my financial course, so that y'all can, financial lifestyles. And y'all be easy. Wear a mask, wash your hands, and I love you. Peace out.